In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Steam's built-in account switcher so you can jump between accounts quickly without typing your password every single time. This is especially useful if you have a main gaming account and a second account for testing, recording tutorials, family sharing, or just keeping things separate and organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use first. In the top right corner of Steam, click on your profile name. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Change Account. Click that, and Steam will ask for confirmation. Go ahead and select Logout. This is the first part of setting up the built-in account switcher. Now you'll be taken to the Steam login screen. This next step is really important if you want Steam to remember the account for future switching. On the login screen, check the box that says Remember My Password. Then log in to your second Steam account using your email, username, and password. Once you sign in, Steam will save that account to your switcher list. That means you won't need to fully log in again every time you want to use it. If you have more than 2 accounts, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just use Change Account, log out, and sign into the next account while making sure Remember My Password is checked. Over time, Steam will build a small list of saved accounts that you can switch between whenever you need them. Now let's talk about how to actually switch accounts after everything is saved. This part is even easier. From inside Steam, click your profile name again in the top right corner. Hover over Change Account and a submenu will appear showing all of the accounts you've already saved. Just click the account you want to switch to and Steam will handle the rest. What happens next is one of the best parts of this feature. Steam will automatically close, restart, and log you into the new account for you. You do not have to type your password again, and in many cases you won't need to enter a Steam Guard code every single time either, as long as the account has already been saved properly. This makes account switching much faster than logging out manually and signing back in from scratch. It's perfect if you're a creator who wants to keep a clean account for recording, or if you simply want to separate your gaming library, settings, or community activity between different profiles. One thing to keep in mind is that this feature works best when you've already saved the account correctly and you're using the same Steam installation. If you ever don't see the account in the list, just go back through the add account steps again and make sure the password was remembered during login. So, to quickly recap, click your profile name, choose Change Account, log out, check Remember My Password on the login screen, sign into the second account, and then use Change Account anytime you want to jump between saved profiles. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.